Are you looking for a quality CPAP cleaner? Look no further. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best CPAP cleaners on the market today. We will provide an overview of each cleaner, as well as the pros and cons, so that you can make an informed decision before purchasing. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. Purify Pro CPAP Cleaner. The Purify Pro Cleaner is a non-rinsed and paraben-free spray that gently cleans CPAP equipment and accessories. This cleaner uses superoxidized water to remove contaminants, including organic material and bacteria. It is compatible with all washable equipment, including CPAP and humidifiers, with no rinsing necessary. Clean your CPAP equipment with SuperOx safety and purification. Our CPAP cleaner is a gentle, non-irritating, hypoallergenic formula that is safe for all washable equipment and surfaces. It is free of alcohol, bleach, BZK, and triclosan, so it can be used on both saline and room air pre-filters or humidifiers. It contains purified water and does not contain harsh chemicals, leaving no residue behind on anything you may use it on. Purify more than 40 times more air than a normal household vacuum. No matter where you travel, Cures will help better protect your family from airborne contaminants related to sick room visits or other hospital environments for clean, healthy breathing. Listen up. Care Touch CPAP Wipes Alcohol-Free CPAP Cleaner. Care Touch scented CPAP mask cleaning wipes are made out of non-woven fabric, then saturated with our high-tech cleaning solution. The cleansing solution makes it easy to clean your CPAP equipment without the need to soak or wash any pieces. Care Touch scented CPAP mask cleaning wipes are designed to make your life easier with our high-tech solution-soaked wipes. The solution-enriched wipes will leave your mask feeling clean, odorless, and ready for use. Our non-woven fabric keeps the product saturated with cleaning solution ready. Keeping your machines clean is important to your health, and Care Touch CPAP cleaning wipes make it easy for you to clean your CPAP, BiPAP, or other PAP or oxygen therapy machines. These alcohol-free wipes are effective at removing sleep mask residue, skin oils, and any other debris that might be on your units during use. List number Purify Pro CPAP Cleaner. Purify is a hospital disinfectant that cleans, disinfects, deodorizes, and sanitizes. It is tough on germs but easy on surfaces and people. It is a virucidal, fungicidal, and bactericidal disinfectant spray. The product does not corrode or damage CPAP equipment. It is safe for sensitive populations, including allergic asthma, atopic dermatitis, eczema, immunodeficient, etc. Home-based CPAP cleaning system that emulates the CPAP cleaning process used in hospital. The Purify CPAP Cleaner and Sanitizer is a multi-purpose hospital disinfectant that cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes. It is tough on germs, but easy on surfaces, people, and equipment. Purify non-toxic formulation eliminate germs that cause infectious diseases and food poisoning. They also eliminate common allergens and annoying odors. Safe for CPAP masks and equipment. Our Purify CPAP Cleaner kills both airborne and surface-bound microbes, making your sleep environment healthier. List number iSonic Ultrasonic CPAP Deep Cleaner. The iSonic Ultrasonic CPAP Deep Cleaner is a portable and rechargeable CPAP cleaner that deep cleans your CPAP mask and short hose thoroughly. Our ultrasonic cleaner generates thousands of cavitation air bubbles which dislodge debris from inside crevices and hose. This is a small size one out of the 3 models. It is powerful to remove debris from inside crevices and hose. Unlike other ultrasonic cleaners that only disinfect the top layers, ours leaves no mask or hose residue behind. This ultrasonic CPAP cleaner deep cleans mask and short hose thoroughly. Unlike ozone or UV cleaners, which only disinfect the top layers and do not remove debris. It has a touch sensing control panel, a convenient power switch, a plastic basket to hold the mask and the hose. Its cavitation effect generates millions of air bubbles which implode and dislodge debris from inside. Its powerful 60-watt ultrasonic stack transducer generates powerful ultrasonic waves. List number CPAP Wipes CPAP Cleaner. Our Care Touch CPAP cleaning are for the daily cleaning of your machine. They leave no lint on masks or tubes and remove excess moisture from inside the mask or tube. These wipes are large enough to comfortably clean masks and tubes and offer a versatile non-woven formula that won't peel off hands, so you can use it on all sides of your machine. CareTouch CPAP Cleaning are designed to quickly clean your CPAP and BiPAP machines. Keeping your masks and tubes clean is important for maintaining the health of your respiratory system. Our wipes are made with large surface area and lint-free to ensure there are no harmful chemicals or substances entering your mask or tube. Make your machine clean and easy to use with our CareTouch CPAP cleaning wipes. These wipes are large enough to easily clean your mask and other supplies. Choose between 2 colors for maximum convenience, or try a spray bottle for more convenient cleaning.